Hi, Pauline Johnson here. I'm the corporate trainer at Standard Office Systems. Today I'd like to show you how to replace your staples on a Canon Copier with an inner finisher. Once your copier panel indicates that the machine is out of staples, you're going to push your copier panel upward to give you more room to work. You're going to locate the stapler door, insert your fingers in the slot, and pull outward. Your stapler cartridge is then displayed. To remove the stapler cartridge, grab a hold of the staple using your two front fingers and pull outward. This cartridge is still filled with staples. You cannot replace the staples in the cartridge unless the staples are completely gone. I have an empty cartridge to simulate what it would be to replace the new staples. On the old one, you're going to push upward on the directional arrows, squeeze inward, and that will remove the cartridge. Place that to the side, grab a hold of the replacement cartridge. You're going to align the exact same way you removed the first one, insert inward, and then press downward. When you hear the click, the cartridge is ready to be inserted. We're going to reinsert the cartridge in the cartridge slot all the way till you hear a click. Once you hear the click, close the stapler door. The machine will adjust the staples and you'll be ready for stapling moving forward. Well, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our video today, please hit subscribe. And remember, regardless of your office technology needs, SOS can help.